morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shaun matsane. I want to motivate you this lovely morning that the Lord has made for us to rejoice. I want to tell you about successful people, what they have in their lips. They have two things: a smile and silence. A smile can solve problems, while silence can avoid problems. Sugar and salt may be mixed together, but ants reject the salt and carry away only the sugar. Select right people in life and make your life better and sweeter. If you failed to achieve your dreams, change your ways, not your creator. Remember, trees change their leaves, not their roots. You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog that barks. Haters will see you walking on water and say it's because you can't swim. Even if you dance on water, your enemies will accuse you of rising dust. Make your ambition to lead a quiet life, to mind your own business and to work with your own hands. Remember, don't ever wrestle with a pig. You will both get dirty, but the pig will enjoy it. Be wise and smart. Follow me on Facebook, Shaun mncedisii, and my page is Inspiration Shaun mncedisii. I want to thank you to listen to this motivation. I wish you will enjoy it. Have a great day.